Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find drafts on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings. But in second settings, you will not find any options, so you simply need to click on the home icon in the left bottom corner, and then you need to try to create a story like this, or you can click on the plus icon in the bottom, and here you can see the drafts option. Click on that option, and here you can find all your drafts, and if you want to delete, you can select both, and you can delete those drafts also. So this is the process by which you can find drafts on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.